Hey everyone, so this is my new Kylenator channel, as you've seen on Scratch, and if you haven't seen my profile, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to create an OC, as the name shows. So first, what is an OC? Well, an OC means original character, so it's something that you drew, like as you can see, my little figure up here, that's an OC. I actually updated it, which means I should change it. And I don't know if the audio is too bad. I got a new mic, and this is the first time using it. So the first part about making an OC is obviously the skin color. So there's a bunch of skin tones you can use. You can base it off of real life, like if you're white, you can use a white skin tone, which is right here. You don't have to use the exact colors, but these are the colors I think are really good. You could do indigenous. I don't know if I spelled that right, and I don't think that's actually the right skin tone. You can do black, Asian, and Latin, and stickman. Stickman is just a black outline with white in the center and with a white fill. Next is the clothes. So as you can see here, I created like a few shirts, like a red jumper suit, some red rain pants, and what you want to do for sleeves is you want to have it fade into, want to have it a darker color than the shirt itself, but then you want it to fade into it. And if you're like making a jacket, don't just make a red square like this. Add something like a zipper or a pocket, like I did here. I added a zipper. You can also add in pants. You can also add pockets, like what I'm doing here. They're not good pockets, but they do work. And don't use the same color of shirts and pants for your OC, because that will make it look weird. So, like here, I made a blue shirt and red pants. Next is the hair. So, remember, you can do whatever you want for your hair, but remember that it should have like one or like one piece that's loose or not in its right position. Like for my OC's hair, I don't have one, but I'm gonna update it soon. This one I just made, it's like a mohawk, and this one, it is one from Dilly, and you can see it has like a little imperfection here, which is good. It makes it look better. And then once you're done that, you can put it on your head. And then you need to decide the mouth. So these are the closed mouths. You can do whatever you want with the mouth, but these are some examples. Like the one I use is over here. You just make a line and then curve it with the curver thing. And this is the natural smile. It doesn't actually look that good. This is just a neutral closed mouth. You can also make a sad one by just like taking this and flipping it so it's like that. And you can have a neutral open mouth, happy open mouth, which kind of looks weird. You can have a sad open mouth, which doesn't really look like a sad one. And here are the extra features. So I'm not good at art, as you probably know from seeing my projects. These are shoes. You can make shoes for your character, maybe an earring, a beard, a mustache, some kind of like facial feature. Yeah, so that's all for today. I know it was a short video. Oh, I can actually show you my OC. I'm just gonna ignore that message for now. Upgrades to my OC. If I just go onto this Black Lives Matter project. You can see my OC.
Hey guys, Kylenator here.
And it's like it has
Hey guys,
the
Kylenator here.
neutral,
So
the
you all
like
know
big
about the
smile,
Black Lives
the
Matter
hair,
stuff.
the
Well,
eyes, the jacket,
people
and
have been
even
saying a
it
lot.
has like faded
All
colored
lives matter,
keys, and
which
it has
is true, but
this, which white keys
they
looks like
say
it's holding
just
something.
because we're saying Black Lives
There's a
Matter,
tiny
we're saying
misfunction
all
over here where the
other
arm is
lives don't
sticking out
matter.
of the sleeve, but
Well,
that's just a glitch.
that's like saying
And
save the Amazon rainforest. We're not saying burn
this
all
is
the
a
other
Black Lives
ones.
Matter project I created, so I think that's good. And thanks for watching this. See you later.